So if you want to sell your USDT on Bybit spot, let me show you how to do it. After you open the Bybit app, you go to trade. After you go to trade, so now you tap on this option, tap on this price action, and then you tap on this PS button. So under the PS, now you go and search for the coin you want to sell and get the USDC for the coin. So I'll tap on this search. Let's say now I want to sell my USDT and get USDC or Bitcoin. So I'll just use the USDC. So I'll select this USDT. Here is the option USDC USDT. After I select this one, so now I want to now sell my USDT to get USDC, or I'll just tap on this option now. Let's say I want to use those other coin. Let's say I want to use BNB. Yes, so now I want to sell my USDT and get BNB. So I'll go and tap on this buy button, and then you tap on this market. Make sure you choose this market. So from there, now specify the amount of the USDT you want to spend to get the BNB. So I want to spend, let's say, $2,000. After I specify the amount, so I'll just tap on this buy button. So confirm buy. So now my order has executed. If you go to assets, so under the asset, if you scroll to down, you'll be able now to see the amount of the BNB you get. Here is it now. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.